The fifth problem is find the all zeros of the polynomial x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135 is equal to 0. If it's known that 1 plus 2i and root 3 are the two of its zeros. What is 0? 0 is nothing but root of the polynomial. So, instead of root they have used 0, 0 of the polynomial. So, now since it is a polynomial of degree 6, it has 6 roots. Okay. Now, we are given that 1 plus 2i is a one root of the polynomial. I told you already it is a complex root. So, complex roots occurs in pair, that is a conjugate of this complex number. So, if 1 plus 2i is one of the root means what will be the other root? The other root will be 1 minus 2i. Then root 3 is a irrational number. So, root 3 is one root means minus root 3 is also another root of this polynomial. So, with this concept only we are going to approach this problem. So, now 0 of the polynomial is nothing but roots of the polynomial. The given polynomial is this one. Okay. So, what is the step 1? We are given that 1 plus 2i is one of the root and 1 minus 2i will be the other root of the polynomial. So, the two roots we found out. What is the first root? And this is 1 plus 2i is the first root and 1 minus 2i is the second root. Now, what is the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots means we have to add. First root and second root we are adding. So, if you are adding these two roots, the plus 2i and minus 2i will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, product of the root is nothing but first root multiplied by the second root, that is 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i. So, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So, what is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. That is, in the place of a you have 1, in the place of b you have 2i square, 2i. So, 2i whole square, b square means 2i whole square. 1 square is 1, 2 2s are 4, I into I square. Since I square is minus 1, I can replace minus 1 here. Already I have one minus. So, minus into minus plus 4. So, product of the root is equal to 5. Therefore, the equation with 1 plus 2i and 1 minus 2i as the root will be of the form x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root is equal to 0. So, x square minus sum of the root is minus 2. So, 2x. Product of the root is 5. So, that is equal to 0. Then step 2. What is a step 2? So, we are given that root 3 is a root. Therefore, minus root 3 will be another root of the polynomial. Again, you find out the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means root 3 plus minus root 3. So, minus into minus, sorry, plus into minus, minus. So, plus root 3 and minus root 3 will be cancelled. So, you will get sum of the root as 0. Now, you find out the product of the root. So, product of the root means root 3 into minus root 3. Plus into minus, minus, root 3 into root 3, 3. Therefore, the equation with root 3 comma minus root 3 as a roots will be of the form x square minus sum of the root into x, product of the root is equal to 0. That is x square minus sum of the roots are 0. So, 0x plus product of the root is minus 3, that will be equal to 0. So, x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So, now step 3, the product of the equations are x square minus 2x plus 5 into x square minus 3. So, now x square into x square is x power 4 minus x square into minus 3 is minus 3x square, minus 2x into x square is minus 2x cube, minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6x plus 5 into x square is 5x square, 5 3s are 15 minus 15. So this is a equation, fourth degree equation. Since the product is of degree 4, but we need to solve the equation with degree 5, which is given in the question. So we must find a quadratic equation, and if we multiply by this fourth degree equation, then we can find out the solution. So it is a fourth degree equation. So if we multiply this fourth degree equation with the quadratic equation, we can get the sixth degree equation which is given. Okay. So quadratic equation means power 2. So now the given equation is this one, that is x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5 x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135. So this is a product equation I got. I have to multiply this fourth degree equation with this quadratic equation. So quadratic equation means power 2, x power 2. Since in the given question we don't have the coefficient, so here x power 4 I have. So x power 4 into x square will give you x power 6. The first term I am getting. Okay. So now then look at the constant term. 135 is a constant term. I am having minus 15 here. So how I can get this 135? I need to multiply minus 15 with some other number. Okay. Then I should get 135. So minus 15 into minus 9 will give you plus 135. So x square plus px minus 9 will be a quadratic equation. Here I want to find out the p answer, that is the coefficient of x I want to find out. Here I have given the explanation. The constant term is in the left hand side is 135. Right hand side is minus 15 alone I am having. So minus 15 with which number will give you 135? Minus 9 will give you 135. So that I am writing minus 9 here. Now we should find p answer, which is a coefficient of x. So now equating the coefficient of x on both sides. So both left hand side and right hand side, I am going to equating only the x coefficient. Why? Because I want to find out the p answer, which is x coefficient of this equation. So what is the x coefficient in the left hand side? Minus 39. Then x coefficient in the left hand side is minus 39. So now I want to find out the x coefficient in the right hand side. So x coefficient, how I can get? Multiplying x term with constant term, I can get x coefficient. Multiplying this constant term with this x term, I will get x coefficient. So just I am going to equate, because it is an equation, no? Both the coefficients will be equal. So now 6x into minus 9 will give you x term. 6x with this minus 9 will give you the x term, and then minus 15 and this px term will give you the x coefficient in the right hand side. So now in the left hand side I have minus 39. Here 6 9s are 56. 6 9s are 56. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54 minus 54, and then minus 15 into plus px. Minus 15 into plus px. that is nothing but the coefficient of x alone we are taking. So minus 15p, minus 54 minus 15p. So now I want to take this minus 54 to the left hand side, that will be plus 54 is equal to minus 15p. So 15 is equal to minus 15p. So p is equal to 15 by minus 15, that will be minus 1. P is equal to minus 1. So the required quadratic equation is x square minus x, that is P answer. My quadratic equation is x square plus px minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, this P answer is minus 1. So x square minus x minus 9 is equal to 0. So now I want to solve this quadratic equation with formula method. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 9. So I am using x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 2ab. So if you substitute in this formula, you will get x value as 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 36 by 2. That is 1 plus or minus square root of 37 by 2. 36 plus 1 is 37. So the values of x are 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Therefore, the 6 roots will be 1 plus or minus 2i plus or minus root 3. 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2.